Can the affiliate marketing business model crash? Is the days of affiliate marketing numbered? You get so many other different business models that you can choose from. You got drop shipping, you got multi-level marketing, you can create your very own coaching or consulting course. You can also create your own mastermind. So with all of these options, one might be asking, is affiliate marketing a dying method to making money online? And that's what we're going to find out in this video. My name is Rupesh and welcome to this channel, Passive Income for All. It's all about helping you to find the best ways to making money online. And if you don't know where to get started, feel free to check out my #1 recommendation on how to build a business with a solid foundation. So let's answer this question. Is affiliate marketing going to be crashing anytime soon? Affiliate marketing will not crash because it's a $1 billion industry. Everyone benefits from doing this business model, which I'm going to show you now. And it's an easy business to understand and to implement. So let's talk about these 3 reasons into a bit more detail. Okay, so the first reason is that it's not going to go away anytime soon. And as I mentioned, the main reason is that it's a multi-billion-dollar industry and it's continuously growing. And according to DemandSage.com, the industry in 2023 was estimated to be at a whopping $17 billion. This was just last year alone. So definitely the figure is gone much more higher in today's day and age. Right. By the way, we are on my website, rupeshgovind.com, and this is where I've written this article, Can Affiliate Marketing Crash? So feel free to check out the website if you want to learn more. The second reason is where everybody benefits from doing this affiliate marketing business model. And let me explain that to you. First of all, the seller saves money. So the seller is the one. Many big companies have affiliate programs, Amazon, Walmart, Airbnb, Tesla, and so on. And there is a niche there is an affiliate program for almost every niche that you can possibly think of. A niche is simply the topic for your business. So you can choose to go into collectible cars, you can choose to go into football snack helmets, or maybe you want to even sell dolls or anything, whatever you want to sell, there is an affiliate marketer for it. Even golfing, sports equipment. Now, the AMB Associates program allows anyone with an audience to make money by promoting, traveling, or hosting. So if your website has to do with traveling or hosting, right? And the main reason why these companies would have this affiliate program is that they do not have to spend any money on advertising their product or service. This is the job of you, the affiliate marketer. So they will only pay you once there is a confirmed sale. So it saves them money of having to go out there and advertise their brand. The second party is the affiliate marketer, which is you. All you gotta do is you simply have to market the product and make sure that you bring the buyer and seller together. So from this point of view, you don't have to worry about any after sales customer support, and you don't have to worry about processing any returns. You just have to make sure that you bring the 2 parties together. And what I wrote on my website is that you do not have to worry about after sales customer service or having to process any returns. You also do not have to purchase the product or service that you are promoting. But just bear in mind that I would recommend that if you are doing affiliate marketing, to purchase the product that you are promoting if you can, because it shows that you have much more credibility. It will be easy to talk about, and when you're doing your product reviews, it will be easier to sell. People will see that you are genuine and that you are not lying, and you'll be able to talk with much more confidence and recommend these sort of products. And this is why, as far as business programs are concerned, online business programs, I recommended 2, Invincible Marketer and Wealthy Affiliate. Those are the 2 programs, and I left the link in the video description below. Right, the third thing is the customer gets the value. So the seller saves on advertising. You, the marketer, you don't have to worry about processing customer returns. And the third thing is the customer themselves. They get value because these days people don't just jump to Amazon and buy the products. They want to read reviews. Sometimes they come to a niche website like yours and they read a review of this latest Dyson vacuum machine and they found it very helpful. And once they get the value, they will be able to buy the product. So the customer is also gaining by getting value, informed information before making that purchase. So with affiliate marketing, everybody wins. And the last part about affiliate marketing, which I believe you don't crash, is because, as you have seen, it's a very easy business model to both understand and to implement. Now, affiliate marketing will not crash, but things can change. And this is with reference to how people do the business model. When I started back in 2015, I learned what is called SEO affiliate marketing, where I write blog posts and I get them to rank on Google and other search engines. These days, people use social media. They can use Facebook or Instagram Reels. They can use TikTok or Pinterest ideas. You can use so much, even YouTube you can use. And these are all ways to get free traffic to your business. And if you don't want to use free traffic and if you don't have the time to do it, you can also go the alternative route, which is using paid advertising. So in that sense, there's a lot of ways to become successful with affiliate marketing. At the end of the day, it does not change the purpose of the affiliate marketing business model. It does not matter which path you choose. It's still all about helping people. It's about giving people value, and everything else will fall into place if you just follow this. For me personally, if you ask me, when it comes to affiliate marketing, I enjoy doing the SEO affiliate marketing, that is working on my websites, writing articles, and I also enjoy the YouTube side of doing affiliate marketing. That's a cool part, is that when you get started with this, you can choose where you want to go. If you don't want to show your face on social media, then you can stick with the website and you can do even paid advertising. It's really up to you once you get started. But the point is that affiliate marketing is not dead. It's not going to crash anytime soon. As I've showed you, it's part of a trending industry that's showing massive growth over the years to come. For you as the marketer, there's so much of benefits for you. You've got low startup costs. You don't have to worry about after sales customer support. There's tons of programs, training programs that you can join that will guide you step by step to getting started. There's also tons of free affiliate programs that you can join. It offers you flexibility. You can do it in your own free time. Then also for the buyer and the seller, they're also happy to be part of this business model because, as I showed you, they also gain from affiliate marketing. And that's the wrap up on this video. I hope that it has answered your question on whether or not affiliate marketing can crash. If you're looking at getting started, feel free to check out my number one recommendation. I left the link that is in the video description below. Thank you very much for joining me on this video. If you have any questions on affiliate marketing or anything related to online business, leave it down below and I'll look forward to answering your questions. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that we can meet in my next video. Take care and wish you everything of the best in your online success. Goodbye.